So, how did I do in the stock market today? So, starting off with the losers, I'm not really gonna talk about the losers because I'm sticking to my strategy. If a position is down 5% or down 6%, I'm out. And most of these losses that I took today, um, which is July 9th, right? Most of these losses that I took today, I used that strategy. So Chewy, I was down like 5%, but I used a bigger position. Microsoft, I lost 145. I used a bigger position to enter into Microsoft. Got into GameStop using that website called Charts. What is it? Barchart.com. Didn't work out. And then I traded Google, lost $90. Traded Exxon, lost $60. All right. So the only stocks I will talk about today that I did well is Nvidia, and the reason I'm not talking about those is because I stick to my 5% trading rule. If it's down 5%, exit out the position and move on to the next trade. That's basically it. But okay, so starting off with Nvidia, I got into what is it? Calls at 11:34. So let's look at NVIDIA. Um, let's see. Okay, so this candle right here, right? 11:34, I got in. As soon as I saw NVIDIA bounce off of the 9 moving average, I entered a small position, right? And as soon as my position went up 5%, I exited out the trade, making a gain of, I'm sorry, I made a gain of $60 with NVIDIA. And so that's how that trade with NVIDIA went. And the next trade that I traded is Meta. I got into Meta at 12:08 with calls. So let's look at Meta. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my god, how did I forget that fast? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What am I doing? Okay, 12:08, 12:08, 12:08, 12:08. Let's see. So this can, where is it? So this candle right here, right? As soon as I saw that Meta had bounced off the 20-day moving average, I got into another small position, right? I got into a small position into Meta. As soon as I saw that, Meta uh, bounced off the 20-day moving average, I just waited for confirmation, right? So I waited for my position to turn 5% or go up 5%, right? And so that's what happened, right? And within a minute, I sold out of Meta, making a gain of $84. So not bad, not bad. And then the next trade I did was Maxon. So this trade, let's see, so I bought puts actually on Maxon, Maxon Solar. So at 1522, let's look at yesterday, 1522, 1522, 1522. Let's think. Uh, Okay, so this candle right here, right? As soon as I saw that Maxim was went under the 9-day moving average, right? I entered into a position there of puts, right? And seeing that, how this chart looks like, right? With the moving averages, I used that to my advantage, knowing that, okay, this, pattern usually means that this stock is probably going to keep crashing down towards the next day. Or in the upcoming candle, we could see a little bit of downwards momentum. And so seeing the next candle, that's what happened. And literally the next day, right? As soon as Maxon opened, it opened at 0.26, and where I bought it at was at, what was it? I bought it close to the 9-day moving average, so 0.28 something I bought in. And so, today when Maxon opened at 0.26, my position was up like either 8%, and that's how I made a gain of 216 bucks with Maxon. So not bad overall. Not bad overall. And let's see. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Those were the trades I did today. And hopefully, this week will be a little better, due to me, going back to my old strategy of, if it's up 5%, good. If it's down 5%, get out. And one thing that I do want to talk about is Bitcoin right now. Let's see, Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, it's up 57,721. Obviously, the price is fluctuating right now, but you can see that today, Bitcoin tried breaking the 9-day moving average, but it failed. And so right now, unless it doesn't go past the 9-day moving average, there's no possibility that Bitcoin right now could, be in an uptrend until it moves above the 9-day moving average. Really, if it moves above the 200 and the 180 moving average, then we could see some upwards momentum of Bitcoin. But for now, it's below all the moving averages. And especially right now, you can see that this candle right here on July 6th, it struggled to break the 200-day moving average. And then right now, you can see this candle right here, which is today, July 9th. Yeah, July 9th. It struggled to break that 9-day moving average. But we will see what happens. Obviously, there's a lot going on with Bitcoin in terms of like Mt. Gox, uh, governments selling their stash of Bitcoin right now. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you guys did well trading. And if you guys did, good job. And if you didn't, I mean, there's always another day to, practice. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you guys have a good day, a good night whenever you're seeing this. And as always, take care. And if you want to sign up with Webull and, paper trade, right? You can sign up with my Webull link in the description below. And you can get yourself some free shares when you sign up with Webull. Once you deposit like a penny, Webull will give you 3 free shares of whatever they want to give you. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you guys have a good night, good day. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.